Welcome to the Advanced Guide to Santander Savings Account, where we will explore the features and benefits of this popular savings option. To get started, let's first understand what a Santander savings account is and how it works. A Santander savings account is a type of deposit account that allows you to earn interest on your savings while keeping your money safe and accessible. The first step in utilizing a Santander savings account is to open an account. This can be done online, in person, or over the phone. You will need to provide some basic personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Once your account is open, you can deposit funds into it using a variety of methods, including direct deposit, mobile deposit, and transfers from other accounts. One of the key benefits of a Santander savings account is the ability to earn interest on your deposits. The interest rate will vary depending on the type of account you have in the current market conditions. For example, a Santander Select savings account may offer a higher interest rate than a basic savings account, but may also require a higher minimum balance. In addition to earning interest, a Santander savings account also provides a safe and secure place to store your money. Santander is a reputable bank with a long history of stability and security, and your deposits are insured by the FDIC up to the standard insurance amount. This means that your money is protected in the unlikely event that the bank were to fail. To get the most out of your Santander savings account, it's a good idea to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This will help you build your savings over time and take advantage of the interest earned on your deposits. You can also use the Santander mobile app to monitor your account activity, transfer funds, and deposit checks remotely. Another key feature of a Santander savings account is the ability to avoid fees and penalties. To do this, make sure you understand the terms and conditions of your account, including any minimum balance requirements or monthly maintenance fees. You can also set up alerts and notifications to remind you when your account balance is low or when a fee is about to be charged. In conclusion, a Santander savings account is a great way to earn interest on your savings while keeping your money safe and accessible. By following these steps and taking advantage of the features and benefits of your account, you can make the most of your savings and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always read the terms and conditions of your account carefully. And don't hesitate to contact Santander customer service if you have any questions or concerns.